Hey, what's happening, everybody? So the other day I went to go fill up the Suburban and it was leaking fuel really bad. And so you can't really see it, but right here there is a little hole that is leaking fuel out of the fill neck there. So I'm gonna try and fix it without creating more damage to everything going on down here. And what I'm going to plan on using, instead of trying to replace the whole fill neck, which I should probably do, what I'm going to do instead is try and use some of this here water weld, which is an epoxy putty, to try and patch over that little hole right there and hopefully do the repair. And I don't want to mess with it too much because I'm afraid of screwing up the integrity of the rest of the fill neck there. So I'm going to clean it up here. I got this little brush. It's a nylon brush, so I'm going to... Yeah, see how big the hole is? Oh my gosh, that's a huge hole. Right there in the fill neck. It just... Oh, that's a bummer. Alright, well... Oh no, there's another one right there. There's another hole right there. This is bad, guys. I don't know if this is going to work or not. Alright, well... Okay, well, two pretty good size holes right there. So, anyway, I'm going to open this stuff up. And it's like a two-part putty, so basically you tear off as much as you need and knead it together with your fingers, you know, like just any other putty, and then you hopefully stick it up in there and it'll cure, and it's supposed to be fuel resistant. So anyway, let's try that out. I'm gonna put that down right there. Hopefully you can see what's going on. I'm gonna put some gloves on. Get my gloves on here, get the package all tore open. Alright. So you're supposed to just basically break off as much as you need. So we're going to tear off a little chunk of that. Alright, and then you just knead it. So you just keep working it until it's all one consistent. You just mix it all up together. Alright. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take a little piece of this after I get it all mixed up. Alright, I'm going to take a little tiny piece. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm going to take a little piece, and I'm just going to fill that, see if I can... Take another little piece and get the other hole. And like that. Make sure to fill all those. Alright, so I got the holes filled. I'm going to take this and I'm going to flatten it out and make like another patch out of that stuff. Just kind of cover the whole thing there. Hey Mike, what's happening, bud?
Thank you again for that money.
What's going on?
I said thank you again for that yesterday, that money.
Me?
Yeah.
Did I give you money?
Yeah, yesterday at Safeway.
Wasn't me, bro. I didn't give you any money.
I thought it was.
It wasn't me.
Oh, man.
No.
I didn't see you yesterday.
Man, I'll go buy you a beer or something, but no, I didn't get you any. I'm sorry, man, that wasn't me. But I appreciate you, man.
I look just like you. I'm like, what the fuck?
No, yeah, I wasn't at Safeway yesterday.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. No, I got a hole in my damn fuel line here I'm trying to repair.
Oh, damn.
So, this epoxy water putty here. No, but I appreciate you coming up, man. But no, it wasn't me.
Oh, shit.
How you been?
I know. What?
How you been?
All right.
Good.
Surviving.
Yeah, I hear you. Boy, I hope this works, man. I went to the damn filling station the other day, and it was just pouring fuel out of it.
Oh, that ain't good.
2 big giant holes in the damn fill neck here. So I'm gonna use this epoxy.
Good stuff.
Yeah, I'm hoping it is. You know, I'm
I
gonna.
used it on my metal dirt bike tanks.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that stuff hardens up. You could sand on it, drill through it.
Yeah, that's good. I hope this is gonna fill it in and seal the deal for me. Oh, Opie.
Okay. I'll see you later.
Alrighty, Mike. We'll see you, bud. Alright. Kind of make this patch. Oops. I don't know if I'm making it better or worse here. It's sticking to my gloves. Alright. Oh. Alright, I'm just trying to make sure that it gets a nice tight connection as much as I can around that. Alright, well, I hope that does it. We're gonna let that cure up for the day. It's gonna take like an hour or so for that to get fully cured or get hard there. I'm not sure what else I can do. I'm gonna call it good with that. Alright.